Hey, what's up, guys? It's good to be back. I had to take a few weeks off. If you guys want to hear a little more about what happened to me, you can go check out the Exceptional Life Fitness channel. I'll link to them in the description below. All right, let's go. The thing about a channel like this is that I have so many things that I'm learning that I want to share with you guys that sometimes I forget the basics. Very important thing, before paying off bad debt, acquiring good debt, before savings and investments, any advanced finance, you really have to get your necessities under control. I'm talking about necessary expenses like rent, mortgage, utilities, things like that. I know that since the pandemic, folks falling behind on bills. It happened in my household. The problem was we tried getting caught up on expenses at the same time we were investing and starting businesses, and it just made things that much harder. Why? Two lessons we learned. One, you really don't think you're best in panic mode. When you're trying to keep the lights on or keep from being evicted, it's hard to make calm decisions about investments in business. Plus, being in constant fire drill mode is really bad for your health, as I learned the hard way. Another thing is, you can't take full advantage of any opportunities that may come up because you have no control over your resources or your schedule. Now, what I mean is, when everything is past due, everything is an emergency. You want to cover your basics, that stuff paid off, reduced as much as possible, so that you can figure out a realistic budget. That way, you can figure out how much money you have left to invest and work with. Now, I know in a previous episode I said pay yourself first. And that is true, except when it comes to the basics you guys need to survive. Rent, mortgage, car payment, especially if you depend on your vehicle for your income, utilities, phone. These things are what we would call necessities. They're in a totally different category and they have to be handled first. If you have limited resources, don't multitask this one. I see this with a lot of my friends now, and we tried this. In our experience, it just does not work. If you're behind on your bills, you have to focus on getting your expenses under control as quickly as possible. Then you'll have the freedom and the peace of mind to take advantage of opportunities because your necessities are covered. You'll find that you can do a lot more with less if you focus on the right things in the right order. I used to say new episodes every Monday and Friday. I think I'm going to reduce this back down to new episodes every Friday for the time being. Like and subscribe, like and subscribe. Talk to you guys soon.